Hey everybody, welcome Warrior Expo. It's the first day. We got Randal from Atlantic Signal over here.
How
Good to see you.
brother? Good to see you.
So, Randal's from Kansas. Brought us some stuff out here in San Diego. Let's talk about the first package you got, the comms
Roger
package.
that. This is a product we developed with Naval Special Warfare. It's called the Dominator II. So it's the only headset like it on the world. It's patented, both utility and design patents. Allows an operator to receive radio communications via the facial bones, as well as also through the ears.
Like the jawbone.
So he actually sets these two pieces right on the cheekbones. If you look right in front of the ear, you actually receive radio communications through your facial bones. You also receive them through these earpieces.
And those are magnetic, so you can just, if you don't want to use them, you can just slap them up.
They're very easily grabbed by an operator wearing a pair of gloves. He just pulls them out of his ears, gets them near the side piece housing, and automatically locks on. So these earpieces give him comms in his ears, as well as receiving through the face. Also gives him electronic hearing protection, and also gives him ambient amplification as well.
So if he hears some stuff in the background or whatever he needs to know, his surroundings.
Absolutely, and he can also adjust that volume by the control box that he wears on his vest.
And that's right here.
Correct.
Easy accessible.
So most of the systems that would compete with this on the market force the operator to wear something in his ears at all time. This gives him the ability to take it out of his ears when he doesn't want Hearing Pro, so he wants to have his own natural situational awareness. When he needs Hearing Pro, if he wants to listen to comms when he's on a helicopter or something, you can always put those earpieces in. The other systems that are on the market also have a control box like this one that you would see, but they also have batteries in them and software. Our system is completely independent, takes no batteries, no software whatsoever.
And you also said this is for altitude, and then it can go straight to water, is fully submersible?
So it's been, this product's been 3.5 years in development with NSW, so they've jumped it, swam the thing obviously, and used it in land and urban warfare as well. So it's gone through just about 3.5 years of development with those guys.
So they don't need a different set for each mission, they can use this for all missions?
Yeah, because this system will give them the hearing protection when they need it, or the ability to communicate in high noise ambient environments, and then they can also pull this off and obviously communicate in quiet environments as well.
And it's low profile. I mean, all the other stuff you see are big and bulkier.
Very, very low profile. It's designed to fit primarily under their OPSCOR helmets.
Okay, good. So what else do you have? You were showing some of the...
So this system also is set up with custom cable assemblies.
Okay.
One of them that we developed for the guys is for their smartphones. So if you look at these closely, the way these are set up is rather than big, tall, straight connectors, they actually have 90-degree short connectors.
So they don't get snagged on anything?
Exactly, and they're cocked at 45 degrees in toward the body armor, so they actually can lock this right straight into their molly as well.
Got it.
So this was developed specifically for the guys for a smartphone, so that it gives them some stretch and capability to get their phone in front of them.
Right, you're showing that.
And then it's got a 90-degree connector on it. So when you plug it in and attach it to the phone, as you move the phone, this actually swivels with it, so you don't have that problem of the stem breaking off inside the phone.
And you can do two comms, the smartphone.
So we developed this as a special ICS cable, developed with a Tier 1 law enforcement team and 2 military units. This is the only one like on the market, so it's basically built to access different ICS systems on DoD helicopter situations, and we also build one for general aviation for the Air Force as well.
Wow.
Also build a low vis kit, so they can switch from this headset, go right down into a low vis. We also build custom cables for the guys as well. So this would be a custom overmolded 10-pin connector. Obviously, we interface to just virtually any radio that's available in the military side of the house.
Nice. All right, so you got a weapon.
Yeah, so this is
mounted.
the wireless. So this was also designed with the guys at NSW. Most of the wireless remotes that are out on the market look like this. They have a big strap on them, set far off the Picatinny rail, and the guys have to adjust their hands off the rail to hit the PTT button. So we designed one with a cam lock lever system that actually sets down in the rail. It can be turned either direction. You can get it with a thumb or you can get it with a forefinger. It's a very low profile system with a paddle switch on the end of it.
And this is, I mean, every operator is used to doing that with their lights or lasers. Right.
Exactly. And then the other thing that's nice about it is all these other ones that are out on the market are disposable. So when the batteries die in them, you throw them in the trash.
Okay.
This one has replaceable batteries, so you don't have to keep buying a remote each time.
And then what's the signal it uses to communicate?
So they work much like a garage door opener, so they're not passing any voice communications at all. You just think of this as a redundant switch.
A switch that you can use.
You've got one on your body that's hardwired, This is a garage door opener.
Okay.
All it does is send X's and O's.
Perfect.
That's it.
Randal, I appreciate you coming by and
Absolutely,
talking with
brother.
us. Have a good show.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Sure.